Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial on Piskel. We're going to learn how to draw a very basic animation, animated GIF using some pixelated drawing software online. So the first thing you have to do is get to this URL here, piskelapp.com. It's a free online software, you don't need to download anything. You can create an account if you want to, but you don't have to for the purpose of this. We just go onto the website and then click Create Sprite, or Create Sprite here. You'll load up the interface for the software. It's very straightforward. On the left-hand side, you've got your main drawing tools. You've got the number of frames here if you're creating animated GIFs. You've got your main canvas. On the right-hand side, you've got some layers, transformation tools, palette colors that you're using in the current palette. And then on the right, you've got some settings and preferences and how to save and export and import. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to just click on the resize button here, and we're just going to change the size to 16, and then make sure we select the anchor point to the center, and then resize. Make sure that's ticked as well. So we resize everything. Okay, now you see that there's different brush sizes here on the left to show you the size of the actual scale of the drawings. Okay, so let's draw a nice smiley face to start with. I'm going to use the color picker, a nice yellow color here. Okay, and then let's draw a nice circle in the middle. Just click and drag. Okay, not a very good circle there, but I'm sure you can do a better job. Fill in the circle there, and then maybe we can get a different color with the pencil tool, and draw in some eyes and a nice smile. Okay, now that's a static image. You can export that as a PNG if you want to. But just add a little bit of extra to this tutorial. We're going to add a new frame. Let's just go back there for a second. We're going to duplicate this frame, so you create an identical copy of the frame. And then we're just going to add a little bit more to this image. So what we can do here is we're going to use the black color just to make the smile a little bit bigger. So we've got an open mouth, and maybe pick a different color, maybe a red color here. And then we're just going to draw in a tongue shape here. And as you can see, my animation on the top right shows what it's going to export as. So that's a little preview there. You can slow that down a little bit if you want to. Now, there's some great tools here for helping you to create more complex shapes. Onion skins are quite useful if you want to see the previous layer underneath as you draw the new content. There's also other layers that you can mess around with by adding more content on top of that. We're not going to go into that in this tutorial. So now we've finished creating our animation, we're going to click on the picture icon, which is export. You can only save if you've got a sign in. Okay, so we're going to click on export, and here we've got some options here. Scale, resolution, and then animated GIF is the first option, PNG, and other options later. You click on GIF and then download, which will bring up this menu where you can download and name your GIF. Click on save. So there you have it, a little tutorial to help you understand how to use Piskel app online to create bit graphics or sprites using bits. Good luck with that. Thank you very much for watching the video.